Hello, my name is Stefan and I will be the nurse advising you on your family's genetic assessment and your predisposition towards cancer, specifically breast cancer. As you are aware, your family has an extensive history of members afflicted with different types of cancers that were brought on by mutations in the BRCA2 gene. Your father and aunt were found to have the mutation when they were diagnosed with breast cancer. In order for us to understand the nature of the disease, I must first explain that BRCA2 is an autosomal dominant genotype. What this means is that only one mutation on one gene from a single parent is needed to exhibit symptoms in an offspring. It is also defined as a germline mutation, which means that either mom or dad can hand it down to son or daughter, and regardless of sex, carriers have a 50% chance of handing down the mutation to their offspring. Another important aspect I must explain about BRCA2 is that it does not simply predispose you to breast cancer. BRCA2 has been known to increase the likelihood of other types of cancers as well, such as ovarian, pancreatic, stomach, and prostate. The reason for this is because BRCA2 is an important gene in DNA repair in your body. Without DNA repair, a series of detrimental mutations accumulate in your DNA and will eventually turn off mechanisms which keep your cells in check. This will cause cells to grow out of control and crowd out healthy cells, and ultimately this is when we diagnose a patient with cancer. Treatment for cancers vary from chemotherapy to surgery. It depends on what stage we find the cancer at and what location in the body we find it. I must be frank, with our current technology, it is currently not possible to totally eliminate the possibility of cancer in a patient. The best thing we can do is limit lifestyle risks which increase our likelihood towards cancer. Tobacco has carcinogens in them that are known to cause cancer and must be avoided at all costs. And you are a healthy veteran, so that works to your advantage because staying at a healthy weight is important to reducing the risk of known cancers, as well as many other chronic conditions. Keeping a BMI below 25 will be to your benefit. The latest exercise recommendations for adults is 150 minutes of moderate exercise and 70 minutes of vigorous exercise to maintain a healthy weight. Continue eating healthy foods such as vegetables, whole fruits, legumes, and avoid fried foods, sweets, as well as processed foods and red meats to maintain a healthy weight. If you drink alcohol, try to limit to 2 drinks a day. Overconsumption of alcohol has been known to increase the likelihood of cancers. And if you would like any more information, we can set up an appointment with a genetic counselor and they will be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.